In real hospitals, doctors learn English very fast. How? They learn from real conversations, real patients, and real situations. Today, I will show you how we learn English at work. Hello everyone! Welcome back to LELTA. In this lesson, we learn how doctors improve English through real-life situations. This is very useful for beginners. In the hospital, we speak English many times every day. We listen to nurses, patients, and other doctors. This helps us learn quickly. We learn by listening to patient complaints, asking questions, giving instructions, reading short reports, talking to colleagues. We use simple English at work, even with other medical staff. We don't need big grammar. We use clear, short sentences. Useful workplace sentences. Please bring the report. Can you check the blood pressure? The patient needs rest. Please call the nurse. Let's review the case. Doctors also ask other doctors for help. This is normal, and we use simple English for this. Useful expressions. Can you help me with this case? Can you explain this report? What do you think about this? Can you check this patient for me? I need your advice. Can you help me with this case?
Sure. What is the problem?
The report is not clear.
Okay, let me check.
Thank you.
No problem.
Repeat after me. Please bring the report. Can you help me with this case? What do you think about this? Please call the nurse. I need your advice. Great job! Thank you for learning with LELTA. In the next lesson, we will learn how doctors stay motivated when learning English. See you in Lesson 10.